Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance with Avrin, your go-to channel for the latest tips on saving, earning, and making the most of your money. Today, I'm going to be telling you about the U.S. Bank new checking account sign-up bonus where you can earn up to $450. That's right. If you're looking to open a checking account and earn a cash bonus, this is an opportunity you don't want to miss. Stick around and I'll break down everything you need to know to cash in on this offer, from how to qualify with eligibility, the tips and steps to get through the requirements, and how to avoid the monthly maintenance fee that's associated with this checking account. And now let's get into eligibility. And with eligibility, you or any owners on your new U.S. Bank Smartly checking account cannot have an existing U.S. Bank consumer checking account, had a U.S. Bank consumer checking account in the last 12 months, or received other U.S. Bank consumer checking bonus offers within the past 12 months. So that's very important. If you currently have a consumer checking account with U.S. Bank, you would not be eligible. If you had an account but closed it within the past 12 months, then you would not be eligible. If you received some kind of a checking bonus from U.S. Bank within the past 12 months, then you would not be eligible. However, if you had a U.S. Bank consumer checking account in the past, but you've closed it over 12 months ago, then you would be eligible in this section of the criteria of eligibility. And also, very important, when you're signing up for this bonus, you want to make sure you have that promo code at account opening. And there is the promo code right there. It is 2024JUL. You see it right there highlighted on the screen. So yeah, 2024JUL. And when you sign up for the bonus on their website, through the link, and I'll have this link in the description of the video. It's not a referral link or anything like that. It will just lead you right to this page. If you sign up through the link on their website right here, the promo code is basically going to be embedded in the link. So when you start the process of applying, you'll see it on the section when you're filling out your information. You'll see that the promo code has been attached to your application. And I actually signed up for this account to obtain this bonus, and I saw it that the promo code was attached to my application in my process of opening the account. And the process of opening up this account was very smooth, really normal, just really standard process, like opening up any kind of bank account in the United States. You know, they want to know your information, of course, your name, your address, your social security number, and they're basically going to verify your information that you're giving them. They're not going to do a hard pull on your credit, so it won't affect your credit score at all when you're signing up for this account. They're just going to basically be verifying your information to make sure the information you're putting in matches you and that it is correct. Also, current U.S. Bank employees are eligible to participate in this offer, which that's something that's kind of different than I've noticed from other bank account and financial institutions sign up bonus offers. Typically, often they don't let employees of the actual bank be eligible to participate in their sign up bonuses. However, US Bank, they have it where you can be eligible to participate even if you are an employee. Also, very important, you have to live inside of the US Bank footprint to be eligible for this offer. So as stated right here in the fine print, offer may not be available if you live outside of the U.S. Bank footprint. So if you live around any U.S. banks, if you've seen them, you've been driving around, then you're likely in the footprint of U.S. Bank, you'll be eligible. However, if you're not that familiar with U.S. Bank, don't recall seeing it, and right when you click on apply now on the promo page, on that link, it's going to ask for your zip code. So you'll know up front right here, are you in an area that's in their footprint to be eligible for this offer? So I'm just going to stick with this zip code right here. This is a zip code around the Atlanta area. The next step right here is going to ask, are you a U.S. Bank customer? So it wants to know if you're already a customer. I'm going to say no on this. And because the zip code that I put in is stating that I'm not eligible for this offer, right here you see it pops up, U.S. Bank doesn't offer checking or savings accounts in your area. To help you meet your financial goals, please consider other U.S. Bank products and so forth. So you'll know up front whether or not you live in an area that U.S. Bank serves and offers their checking accounts and saving accounts. So I just put in that zip code. That's the zip code I'm familiar with in that area. It's not where I live. Where I have an address at, I was able to sign up for this bonus. So depending on what address you use and what zip code you use when you're signing up for the account, you know, do you have identification that links to that address and whatnot, will depend on whether or not you're eligible for this bonus. So with the zip code outside of their area, you see that they stop you right there up front. You don't have to put in any more information, you know, social security numbers, email addresses, names, anything like that. You'll know up front whether or not you can continue with this process. Now, if you put in a zip code that's eligible for this offer, and that's one that's actually associated with you, not just putting up a zip code and then going through the application, it has to be an actual zip code that's of an address that you have. So if you're in their footprint, with that zip code, then you would go forth in the rest of the application process. And then when you go through the rest of the application process, pretty standard and similar to opening up an account with another bank or financial institution, and you'll get to a section where you get to pick out your debit card and choose a style for it. I took a few pictures of some of the styles of debit cards that they have available, as you see there on the screen. That's going to be part of the application process after they, approve your account and everything and going forward in the application process. So yes, those are pretty much the main requirements in regards to meeting the eligibility for this US Bank sign-up bonus. Now let's get over to step one of the sign-up bonus, actually starting the process. So step one with the sign-up bonus, after you meet the eligibility requirements and you know you're eligible to sign up for the account. When you're signing up for the account, what you want to make sure you do, of course, is you want to make sure that you're opening up the account by October 31st, 2024. So yes, those are the dates right there you see highlighted on the screen when this offer is available, from July 9th, 2024 to October 31st, 2024. And they actually recently extended this to October 31st, 2024, because when I signed up for the account, so they had a September date for the expiration of the sign-up bonus. But since then, they've extended it to October 31st, 2024. So there is a possibility they could extend it past that. If they do that and I'm aware of it, I will make a comment down in the description and pin it to this video, like I've done in some of my other sign-up bonus account videos, where they pretty much extend the expiration date to a date beyond what I talked about in the video. But right now, the dates for this promotion bonus, you have to sign up either online, in a branch, or over the phone from July 9th, 2024 through October 31st, 2024. And also, there is a minimum deposit of $25 to open this account. During the online process, I noticed two ways that you can fund the account with $25. You can move over $25 from another bank account. You can link it another external bank account and move the money over that way, or with a debit card or with a credit card. So there are multiple ways you can move money over to this account to meet that $25 minimum initial deposit requirement. So yeah, I'll put that step right there as step one, opening the account by that date, either online, in a branch, or over the phone with that promo code, and funding the account with at least $25 to meet the minimum deposit requirement. Now, after you meet all of that, we'll go to step number two. Step number two on this is that you have to enroll in the US Bank mobile app or online banking within 30 days of opening your account. So this is a simple process. While you're opening the account, after the application stage of the process, they pretty much kind of gravitate you towards enrolling your account online. So it's pretty much, you can do that right after you meet the application process, make your username and password and have your online account access. So it's very seamless. You could do that pretty much on the same day that you apply for the account, and with the mobile app as well. I just went through online. I applied for the account online on the computer, and I just pretty much did the online banking enrollment on the computer as well. And then I downloaded the app. So you don't have to do both. You could do either one, but likely you're going to download the app as well. But you have to enroll this account either through the US Bank mobile app, which is available on the Google Play and Apple App Store, or online with your laptop or computer within 90 days of opening the account. Now that's step number two, pretty easy to the point. Step number three is going to determine how much of a bonus you can obtain. Now, step number three, you have to complete 2 or more direct deposits within 90 days of opening your account that total $2,000 to $4,999.99 to earn the $250 bonus. If you make direct deposits that total $5,000 to $7,999.99, you can earn the bonus of $350. Now, if you make direct deposits of at least 2 or more that total $8,000 or more within 90 days, you can earn the bonus maximum of $450. So one of the questions that I had in my mind when I was applying for this bonus, and you may have it as well, is that, say for example, you were going for the $8,000 or more direct deposit amount to earn that $450 bonus. But along the way of making those direct deposits, you hit one of the other tiers. Maybe you got in between the $2,000 and $4,999 tier. You made 2 deposits and it equaled like $3,000. Would you be limited and capped to that $250 bonus? So I sent a question like that to US Bank online, and they responded with a very informative answer that let me know basically that they would stack the bonus, because what they do is that they wait 60 days after the end of the month that you would qualify, which they state gives them enough time to review the total direct deposits made during the 90-day window and credit accordingly. So as you see it on the screen, that's the response they gave me. And that answered my question of, even though I may hit that direct deposit tier, either that first tier or that second tier, but I was going for the third tier, then I would have time basically to get to that third tier along the way, because they wait that 60 days after the end of the month I qualify. So once I hit that amount of $2,000 to $4,999 amount, I would have basically 60 days after the end of that month to meet that amount of $8,000 or more. So by then I would be able to have more direct deposits going into the account to meet the next bonus that I was going for, whether that be, the $8,000 or more for $450, or the between $5,000 and $7,999.99 to earn the $350 bonus. So even if you meet one of the lower tier direct deposit amounts within that 90 days, you would still have some time within that 90 days to meet one of the other tiers of direct deposits and obtain the higher cash bonus amount. So now you got that, and you may be wondering, okay, direct deposit, what qualifies as a direct deposit? So a direct deposit for US Bank in this sign up bonus is an electronic deposit of your paycheck made through the automated clearinghouse ACH network, which is a normal network that electronic transfers and deposits go through. So yes, the ACH network, or an electronic deposit of your government benefits, such as Social Security, from your employer or the government. So there's only a few different types of qualifying direct deposits with this account. That's going to be basically government benefits, such as Social Security from the government, or a payment from your employer. Maybe you do gig work, like DoorDash or Uber or something like that. Whatever would be like your employer, you getting paid from them. However often you get paid for them, every week, every 2 weeks, every month. But those kind of payments and deposits would qualify as the direct deposits for this bonus. Now, other kind of electronic deposits or person-to-person payments are not considered direct deposits. So to qualify for the direct deposit amount, you can't transfer money from another bank to this bank account, or transfer money to yourself like via Zelle or some kind of other person-to-person payments, or like Venmo to this account or PayPal to this account, or any kind of other person-to-person payments. Those would not qualify. So yeah, that is step right 3 right there. Pretty much getting the direct deposits into your account, at least 2 of them, to total the certain number that you're going for to meet the sign-up bonus that you would like to acquire. Now, for step number 4 is basically you waiting and having some patience to obtain your bonus. Now, your checking bonus, which is going to be listed as adjusted interest, will be credited to your new US Bank checking account within 60 days following the end of the calendar month during which you completed all the offer requirements. The account must be open and have a positive balance to receive the bonus. So keep your accounts open and leave some kind of positive balance on it. A couple dollars, $10, $20, whatever amount. Keep it in the positive balance amount. No negative balances. No kind of flags on your account, nothing fraudulent. Don't, have your account closed. Keep it open in good standing with a positive balance. And also, this bonus will be reported as interest earned on IRS Form 1099-INT, and the recipient is responsible for any applicable taxes. So if you've done these kind of bonuses before, then you're familiar with this process. And if you do your taxes yourself, then you're familiar with where to put this on your taxes. If you get somebody else to do your taxes, then you have to take that form to them along with your other forms when you're doing your taxes so they can input the information. So if you're doing this bonus in 2024, then you would likely get that form 1099-INT in the mail in like January or February for your 2024 taxes that you're going to be doing in 2025. So yeah, step number 4, obtaining your bonus, really simple, to the point. Keep your account open, have a positive balance in it, and just pretty much you're waiting until 60 days following the end of the calendar month during which you completed all of the offer requirements. So you have up to 90 days to meet those direct deposit amounts. But once you hit one of those tiers, you have pretty much, that 60 days from that following end of that month to, possibly get to another tier to have that bonus. So they're going to give you that extra amount of time. It's still going to be within that 90 days that you would need to meet that certain direct deposit amount to get that sign up bonus. But that's going to go along with you obtaining the bonus. So you could still, meet that bonus amount kind of close to when you're actually going to obtain the actual cash bonus. So you went through the sign up bonus with this US Bank Smartly checking account and you're working on receiving your bonus and everything. One thing you may want to keep in mind is how you can waive and avoid the monthly maintenance fee associated with this new account. So that monthly maintenance fee is going to be like $6.95 unless you do one of the following. If you have an average account balance of $1,500 or greater, then you would have that monthly maintenance fee waived. Or if you have an open qualifying US Bank consumer credit card, then you would have that monthly maintenance fee waived. Or if you don't have either one of those, but you have a combined monthly direct deposit amount totaling $1,000 or more, then you would have the monthly maintenance fee waived. Now, with the requirements of the sign-up bonus, it's likely that you may meet their third requirement right there to avoid the monthly maintenance fee. So you may have a combined monthly direct deposit amount totaling $1,000 or more that would lead to you having the monthly maintenance fee waived. Another bonus way that you may have the monthly maintenance fee waived is if you're a member of the military or a part of a select age group. So with the fine print of that, members of the military, which require self-disclosure, and clients ages 24 and under and those 65 and over pay no monthly maintenance fee. So if you fall into one of those categories, then you would not have to have any of those other three scenarios in place to have the monthly maintenance fee waived. And that's a wrap on how you can earn up to $450 with the US Bank Smartly checking account. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Finance with Avrin for more money saving tips, information on saving money, earning money, and growing your bank account. If you have any questions or have any experience with this bonus, drop a comment down below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.